once you install, you will have a hair like this. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video I will show you the most easiest hair extension, which is ponytail hair extension. And look at this is the sample of the 24 inches color 1001 ponytail hair extension. Look how easy is this hair extension. There's comb here and there's wrap here, so it's very easy to install and uninstall. So once you wrap your hair, you can just use the comb to comb on your hair, and then wrap like this, and then use this wrap 𝐒𝐞 and to wrap like this. Let me show you here. To wrap to cover all this here, and then wrap it, and then you will have a hair extension look like this. So once you install, you will have a hair like this. This is very beautiful. So we can make all this hair extension ponytail into different hair colors, natural color, or whatever color you want to need, and we can do all that. Also do all the hair extensions in different textures as well. So if you want the best quality human hair extension, you can simply contact us and or place your order on our website. Thank you for watching today's video. Have a great day.